Well, I've just decided to look under my Ford Anglia. I'm glad I did now. Check this out. Try and turn you around. Good shocker. I'm a bit shocked really. I thought it sat a bit weird. So I'll make a new bracket for that. Get that back on there. With the day videos, I'm going for an haircut later, don't worry. All the panels are painted for the Cavalier. Do you want me to put that in a build on its own? It's a full GSR kit going on. It's not a GSR, but it will look like one. It's a bit dusty now. Painted up panels yesterday. My dad's been on my Escort, still videoing that. It should be out weekend. Needs a bit of work, it's angular. You don't feel out on an old car like that. Yeah, I've got a Jag coming down. Don't know what it is, but he wants 2 sills on it. So when he turns up, I'll put a video on. Just got this nice little job in. MOT failure, sharp edges. The wings bent in, the door. Little dent here. They just want it bodging really, but I want to do a semi-decent job on it. Also failed on rotten sills. So we'll get my dad welding that up. Don't have time for that. Yeah, I'll put in a time lapse of me trying to pull this out and bodge it. Right, so I've opened doors to try and beat it front back, but can't really get to it. So best thing to do is just stick something in and start smacking it. There's no room really, it's being alloy as well. It's a bit hard to work with. I've done best I can. It looks pretty decent. It looks a lot straighter than it were. Couldn't just gob it up really. So now I'm just buzzing it back with some 80s. Quick blow off. That's the dent pulled out, best it's gonna get. I'll put a skimmer filler on there, bodge it up. Here she is. It's actually looking a lot straighter than it were. Yeah, I'll just do alloy, so I couldn't weld nothing to it. Just pull them out, and they're like stretch. You can never get them back right. And I'll just grab a load of filler in there. I think we're on a bodging day. I don't do much bodging. Sometimes. There's not a bit of in it. Perfect. So that dent's out. Yeah, I'll go and get some dinner. I'll pick you back up when I'm back. It is. Straight out of gun. Not bad. That's for the Ranger on the video yesterday. Just need to build it up, see if it fits in that gap I made. Yep, I've still got a compressor leak. Right, so you want a clean spreader, clean place to mix it, bit of filler. Try buying semi-decent stuff because get some shit out there. Probably a bit much, but it's not warm today, so I'll let it go off. Keep mixing till it's gone hard. So yeah, you just want to not get no filler on anywhere you don't want it, and just slap it on. It's the second time mixing this from that video. It took me that long to set the phone up. It went off. Anyway. Don't matter about your first one. Just get it on, fill any big holes. Don't try it, doesn't need to be pretty. We'll get that on the next one. Or the next one. Or the next one. Don't play with it too much, he said. Can't play with it too much, like I'm doing. Just get it on and let it set. There we go. Bit of a gouge there. So back onto the quick buzz off. Don't matter about being straight really. You can normally feel for it. Like I said, just slap it on. Don't bother what it looks like. And this is after two skins. Up and down all over the show. So I'll get the block on it now. Block it across. Get best I can. Keep getting blurry shit going on. But yeah, get it knocked into shape. I don't do this bodging up work normally. That would be a new wing and probably a new door. But could only do what the customer wants. Back on the block with some 120s, just blocking it off really. Just keep feeling for it. You'll know if you need to put more on or take more off. Just clean all your gaps up. Let's make up a tiny little bit. Nice strokes. You don't really want much lines in it. Just want more filling than 3 lines afterwards. Doing nice. For a couple of hours. And then get your edges. You want to skim it down to the bottom line. Press it slowly, it down. I'll end up with one more afterwards. Take the excess away. There you got one in the gaps. Right, that's it. We'll give it another block. So, started with a block. I think I lost patience, picked up the deer. A bit quicker, speeds it up. We're only bodging it, remember? So yeah, back out with a block. And just keep on going. Just keep feeling for it. Give it a blow. You'll get there eventually. Then start to soft edge. I showed you the sausage trick in my last video. Clear bagging over the top. You don't want any primer over the car. Mask it up. Just a duster coat really on your first coat. You don't really want any runs in your primer. You can always see them even if you block it out. It's not bad, is it? Say it needs a new door and wing. The shine looks pretty perfect. See any dents? A few little pinholes, but I'll fill them in. I'll just get a few more coats of primer. Guy will think I've put new panels on. This is how much of a shed it is. I won't get a edge in. It shat itself. Must be all that banging I've been doing. Said another coat of primer. Keep me any videos on my Anglia. 2.1 Pinto. 210 horsepower. Standard arched. I can do a full video on this if anyone likes. Oh, we've got another rally car build there with a tasty engine sat on bench. I won't show you yet. Yeah, if you want to see that one, I can do a video on it. So I've put a full floor in it, chassis rails, cage, back out with the DA, buzzing the primer down. Then we'll start to wet flat. So I buzzed it down 400s. Then now on with 800s wet and dry. I would normally guide coat this and block it, but I need it out like soon as possible. Then some 1200s and then a scotch, grey scotch. And then I'll just blend it across the door. So just giving it a wash now, when it's all nice and clean. Nice panel white, drying it off.
Here's the finished product. Just flat and buffed it, it's ready to go. I'm joking. Right. So I buzzed it down with some 400s just to knock the head off. Send it down with 800s, then 1200s. Scotch the rest of the panel where we're blending out. Yeah, normally I'd guard coat this and block it. Find any low spots, refill, maybe reprime. But it's got to be out today. I only just got it in at like 2 o'clock, so I've only got a few hours to get it done. Yeah, I'll panel out full panels now, mask it up, and then try and get it spray booth for paint. So now on with masking up. Make sure you use your airline and blow all the water out of everywhere before you start masking. Otherwise, your masking don't stick. So yeah, mask it up, soft edge where you need it. Soft edge it on the front to where the swage line is. There isn't no solid line or any line here, so just blend that, just scotch up to it. That's a solid line. I'm pretty confident without soft edging that I can lose it.
Same again, clear bagging. You don't want no paint on the car. It's just the same stuff you use for your primer. Yeah, mask it up. Doing my soft edging around door handle there. And I think I've gone for a brew now. I forgot to stop the recording. Oh wait, I'm back. Yeah. So, quick panel wipe, dry it off. First coat of base. Come out not too bad, the lacquer did. See, it weren't in a spray booth. The booth were full, so I had to make do with what I had. The car needed to be out straight away, so there it is. Not flat and buffed it yet, that's just how it's gone.
For today, don't feel like I've done much, but spend more time playing with the camera trying to get videos. Now I'm doing less work done. Yeah, let me know if you want to see this little machine or my rally car in Mark 2. Thanks. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget that.